Hello and welcome. My name is Vakile. We're going to look at grooves from Mozambique, and this is the 10th groove from Mozambique, and it's coming from Wizzy Masuke. And the song is called Lucy Don't Cry. And let's look at where it's played here. I just played. Okay, this is pretty simple, and if you look at this, that's a D there, and this one. Let's go back to that. That's a G. If you go G flat and F, so you're in the key of F here. Okay, so for you to be able to play this one effectively, you can do other things, but I suggest here the fingering. You just it's no longer one finger per fret. It's just you just land them like this, okay, like that, and you're gonna hit this first. When it starts, it goes. So that one, then it goes. So you're hitting the root, the fourth, and then the fifth. So. The last time you hit the fifth, you're lifting this finger here to create almost like a muting, but it's not very muted. So then you spread that finger there, which is finger number 1, up to the fifth, the octave. Now this is an octave. So you play the octave. So you go. Back to the root again. I'm lifting the finger so that you can see what I'm doing there. So this goes first. Okay, remember that this is one use of the octave there. You're playing an octave here, which is the fifth. Okay, it's your fifth there. Then it goes back to. Okay, so pretty simple groove there, but very effective and very interesting and very memorable. That's what you want in a groove. A memorable groove, simple groove that can be sung in your when you're just walking around. Something like that. So this is one groove, best groove, where you just have the 1, the 4, the 5. 1, 4, 5. Just 1. 1, 4, 5, and the octave of the 5th here. So it's just the 3 notes, 1, 4, and 5. This is a groove from cover groove from Wizzy Masuke's song Lucy Don't Cry. Very popular song, very interesting song. Very popular in South Africa, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, and neighboring countries there. And you know, she has another beautiful song as well, which is called well, a beautiful song again. What's it called? Vanabela. It's very good. I'll bring a groove for you there. It's another explicit groove that is memorable. Thank you very much. My name is Ukile. I'll meet you in the next groove. Bye.